Choo choo train, let's ride today, over the hills and far away. Clickety clack, the wheels go round, off we go with a chugging sound. Good choo choo, let's go down the track so fast, not slow. Wave your hands and shout hooray, we're riding the train all day. Look out the window, what do you see? A cow, a duck, and a bumblebee. Mountains, trees, and sky so blue. The choo-choo train is passing through. We stop at town to pick up friends. Our fun train ride never ends. Hop aboard and find your seat. Snacks and songs and dancing feet. The choo-choo, off we zoom, through the sunshine and the moon. Laugh and sing with all your might. The choo-choo train goes day and night. The choo-choo, let's go down the track so fast, not slow. Wave your hands